Today is our special English Day!
No other languages, only English.
I am ready for our walk.
The weather is very beautiful.
Let's go to the park.
Left, right, left, right.
Look at these pretty roses.
Water is splashing everywhere.
A small bird lives there. Hoo, 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 hoo.
Wait for the cars.
Ooh. Is there mail inside today? Hello, friendly dog.
I can jump very high.
What high? I did not get wet. I did not wet.
The park is far now. The park is very green.
It is time for a break.
I want to go down. I want to go down. Whew. Whew. This slide is very high.
That was very fast, Mike. Look at me! I am flying! This water is very cold.
These flowers smell very nice.
The ducks are swimming.
Here is some food. Duck.
Don't fall into the water.
I can see our house.
I am helping the park. I want the pink one. Oh.
Here is one for everyone.
This is a delicious treat.
I love chocolate ice cream.
You are a dirty boy, Mike.
You know, I've noticed a big improvement in your studies lately.
My English is getting better. Come back, little friend.
Look at all those books. Like how?
Listen to the loud bell.
We are almost at the end.
I
am a little tired now. Do you speak English, Cat? That truck is very loud. Oh.
The squirrel is very fast. Ha!
We are back at home. My feet feel better now.
The soap makes many bubbles.
Au revoir. I am very hungry again.
Drink your juice, Mike.
Whew.
That was a fun walk.
Oh no! It is starting to rain. I will read an English story. Vroom! The car goes fast.
We did a great job today.
Right. Let's cook some dinner now. Go, forest fries at this.
The pasta smells very good.
Wiggertop? Dinner is almost ready, Mike. This pasta is my favorite.
This water tastes very fresh.
The sky is very clear now.
Thank you for helping, Mike.
I will not drop the plate.
Today was a long day.
I understand the words. I understand the words. Do you want some popcorn?
It is time for bed.
Brush your teeth for 2 minutes. I am very warm and cozy. Good night. Today was a great challenge.
I am ready to sleep.
Oh, ways. We did it for one day.
Wow, wir haben was bad.